Hey YouTubers, Writer Brain here, and I am here to talk to you today about a problem that I'm having with my display settings, and you may be having it too. I have the 4K resolution, 3840 by 2160, and I have it scaled up as high as it will, well, not quite as high as it will go, but pretty high. And it works in most things, but there are a few programs that don't pay attention to that, and they're really tiny. Let me give you an example. I use a program called Send to Kindle to send text files and notes and things to my Kindle. And I application key on a text file and go to Send to Kindle, and you will see it has this really tiny information up here. Really too tiny to use on the screen. I found a way to fix that. And what you're going to do is you're going to find the exe file of the program you're using. Usually you can just go into the start menu, application key on it, choose more, and open file location, and it will show you where that exe file is. For Send to Kindle is a little bit different. You're going to go to your C drive or your main drive, Program Files 86, Amazon, Send to Kindle, and there's the send to kindle.exe. So when you find the .exe of the program that's not showing up the way it should, application key on it and choose Properties. And then go to the Compatibility tab, and then go down here to Override High DPI Scaling Behavior, Scaling Performed By. So that you're going to check to override it, and then you're going to choose what performs the scaling, and you want to choose System Enhanced and press OK. So now when you go back to use that program, for instance, I'm going to use Send to Kindle, you will see that now it is using the larger options that you wanted for your higher resolution monitor. I hope this helps you. If you have any questions, please let me know. And any comments or questions, leave them in the comment section.